It is Wednesday morning. I don't know what's wrong with me, why I have so much energy, but it is Wednesday morning. I just had a work meeting that I got done with, and I need to have a productive day today. I have much to do, so let's get her started. I just got ready. I need to do some last minute Christmas shopping. I just need to finish everything up, go to a bunch of stores. I need to go to Bath and Body Works because I'm so annoyed. I ordered some candles when they were like 10 bucks or whatever, and they sent them, and they literally sent them so that they were like upside down in the thing. So all of them, the like actual candle was like on top of this when I opened them up. So like it was like out of there. I don't know if you can really see that, but it had like fallen out of the actual candle part and was like on top of this. So the wicks are all messed up, which is really annoying. So now I'm going to return both of these. I don't really like this scent anyways. It's like Mary Mimosa, so I'm going to return that one. Hopefully get a different one that smells good, and then hopefully get another champagne toast because I love champagne toast. It's a really good one. And then I also got this one. This one's like it's not badly like injured, I guess would be the right word. The wicks are like a little messed up on the top, but it's not that bad, and I really like this scent. And my only worry is that they like won't have any of the good scents left anymore. So this is Spiced Apple Toddy. I literally love apple scents. I don't know why. I really don't like most of the Christmas scents because it's like balsam and like evergreen tree scents, and I do not like those scents for some reason. I'm gonna do a little outfit of the day, and I need to run out the door because I have some stuff that I'm doing tonight as well, and I want to come back and like have time to like get ready and stuff for that. So this is the fit for today. I have on black leggings. I think they're just from Fabletics. I have on just like some random boots. I think these are like bear paw or something. And then I have on this Relevant Youth hoodie, and then just this jacket over the top because it's kind of sort of cold outside. It like snowed a lot. Yeah, it snowed kind of a lot this week, so I haven't been out of my house at all this week, and I'm excited to leave my house. Okay, so I'm gonna go. Alright y'all, I have acquired the bag. So I went to Bath and Body Works, and I got my 2 candles exchange. I'll show you what I got in just a second. I went to Anthropologie, and I picked up a couple of things for my mom's stocking. They have like such cute stuff in there, I love it. And then lastly, I went to Sephora, and also picked up some stuff for my mom's stocking. But then I also got this for myself because it was free. It's the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. And then I got another little mini for my mom's stocking as well. So, yes, I probably should have even got like more little minis because I have so many points, but I never use them, you know? I feel like no one ever uses their points. Okay, we'll just have to ignore the fact that I'm like halfway cut off. But I wanted to show you guys the candles I got. I'm going to give one of them to my mom. I think I'll just put it in her stocking as well. But I got Georgia Peach. I thought this one was super cute. I'm probably just going to keep this one since it's like pink. My mom probably doesn't want pink in her house. It's not really a pink house, but I got another one. I got this one for her because I thought it was more of a mom scent, and it's winter because she likes the, I don't know, more like wintry tree scent. I don't really like it personally, but it's like an okay scent. Like if she burned this, I wouldn't like die or anything. I just don't like the ones that are like straight up balsam. This one smells good though, so hopefully she likes that one. Smells like winter. I'm literally obsessed with the stuff I got from Anthropologie. I low-key, okay, here's the deal. I got something for my mom, and I got something that I kind of want to keep it because it's a candle, alright? I'm just going to say it's the Capri Blue candles. I'm obsessed with them. I told the lady that it was a gift, so she like wrapped it like it was a gift. It might just be a gift to myself. Low-key, I might just give it to my mom and tell her to put it into my stocking. Because like obviously like my mom, I could give it to her, but like I don't really know that it's like a her scent. I love Capri Blue. That is like my absolute favorite scent of any like candle ever. Capri Blue is so good, but it's so expensive, and they were like kind of sort of on sale today. And I got something else that's like definitely for my mom, but yeah. The other thing I'm also obsessed with, and I thought about getting it, but for me, but I didn't. I don't know. It's so hard to not shop for yourself when you see like all this stuff that you're like, oh my god, I would like that. I would like that. And Anthropologie was having like a ton of sales today as well. So low-key, I might like text my mom and be like, hey, Anthropologie has some cute stuff, but I know she's already gotten like so much for me, so I don't want I don't want to push it, but I love stockings. I think stockings they're my absolute like favorite part of like gift giving. I just like receiving stockings as well. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I like receiving gifts as well, but I love doing other people's stockings, like just finding the cutest little things to give them. So the only places I need to go to Marshall's and I need to go to Ulta, because there's something that Sephora didn't have that Ulta should have. So we're gonna stop at Ulta and the Marshalls to just pick up some last minute stocking stuff for, and I keep forgetting, I also need to go to Trader Joe's. So Trader Joe's to get, I only need one thing there, and it's for my mom. And then Marshalls and Ulta. We're doing this pretty fast today. I'm like kind of proud of myself. I left the house at like 11:30. It is 12:30, so not too bad at all. Also, I did go to Starbucks. I got my free drink, so I did not spend any money. I mean, so far today, I've only spent not that much money, okay? I'm kind of sort of proud of myself. It's not too bad, because the candles, I just exchanged them, because as we saw, the other ones were like jacked up, which was kind of annoying, but yeah, whatever. So I got my Starbucks is a Venti sweet cream cold brew with 3 shots of peppermint. They didn't even write it down on here or anything, so. Starbucks was surprisingly not busy though. Which is surprising because it's literally always busy. Alright. I'm gonna go now. Peace, love. Starbucks. I don't know. Okay. Bye. See you guys later. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Why am I getting so many Snapchats right now? Leave me alone. Okay, so I just got back. All of my stuff is behind me. I might show some of you, but yeah, I'm just gonna show a couple of you. I might show some of the stuff that I got in just a second. I just had to turn my heater on because I'm literally freezing cold. Also just got all of my laundry out of the washing machine, so I need to make my bed. But I'm gonna show you guys this package I just got in the mail. I believe it's from a company that I'm working with. I'm doing like a little brand video shoot thing for them, so they just sent me some products for my video. Ooh, I like this. This is really cool packaging. It's like low-key wet right now though, because I just got it off the front porch, and for some reason it's like all wet out there. Okay, so it's Frey. Let's open it up. Ooh. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's supposed to be for like washing your clothes, and it's paraben free, sulfate free. Just, it's like really good for the environment. I guess every time you buy something from them, they plant a tree. I guess it's just a really good company. And they sent me just like, what else did they send me? They sent me laundry detergent. I don't remember what scent I got. There was like 2 different scents, and I don't remember which one I chose. Basically, they're just like a super good company. I'll show you guys this in just a second. I'm gonna smell it though. See what it smells like. It's like kind of like, I think I asked for cedarwood, because there was like, I think it was either sandalwood or cedarwood, something like that. It was 2 different kinds of woods, and so I think I chose cedarwood. This smells really good. Kind of smells like manly almost. And then this is a fabric conditioner, so I think this is basically like fabric softener. I actually do like that smell. I didn't know how I was going to feel about it, but it smells good. It's like very, not really musky. I don't think that's right. Oh yeah, this is cedarwood, oak moss, and amber. The amber makes it smell really good. So good. So this has, you can do 50 loads with this. It's a really convenient little bottle too. I like this. It looks different than like traditional laundry detergent, because normally you just have, you know, your normal brands. And then I also got dryer sheets, which I love dryer sheets. There's 40 of them in here. Softens clothing. This is like eco-friendly and recyclable. 10% of profits charity. Reduces static cling. Like, there's just lots of good stuff in there. Stop wearing clothes. You afraid detergent. Better for women and natural ingredients. There's just like lots of natural ingredients and stuff. So I'm excited to try this, just because my body, I don't know, my body's been really weird lately. I've been like breaking out like all over my body, and my body's been dry and just gross. And sometimes that has to do with your detergent because it's literally on your body like all day long. Like you obviously wear clothes, so that can be a part of it. And I like that this is cruelty free and vegan. There's just lots of good things about it. Like it's very environmentally friendly, and I feel like as I get older I realize how important that stuff is, because it really does affect, you know, it's going to affect my future and everyone else's future. So I can do my part by, you know, supporting smaller brands, one, and then also they're eco-friendly, environmentally friendly, all the good stuff. So I'm gonna set this down and like show you guys a little bit more of a close-up. This is like not sponsored or anything. They sent me this for a video I'm doing for them. I don't even think the video will go up on YouTube. I mean, I could put it up on YouTube, but it's just like a fun little video for them. So this is what the box looks like when you open it up. Also, I love packaging like this when things come like this. I can't get it closed, but you guys get it. Invest in yourself. You deserve it. I didn't say anything else on the sides. This is going to be so good. I really like their packaging. And on the bottom, I don't know why I thought it was funny, but it says, help, I'm upside down. I don't know, I thought that was cute. So it looks like this. This low-key looks like weed, but I don't think it is. I think it's like the cedarwood stuff. But, you know, they just have a bunch of, yeah, sandalwood is the other one. So yeah, that one's probably really cool as well. Yeah. They have that, which is really cool. It just gives you lots of good information. And then this is what the rest of the box looks like. So we have the detergent, and then we have the fabric conditioner. I don't know why I like that, fabric conditioner instead of fabric softener. It sounds fancier. And then just pump bottles for the top, which is super convenient. And then of course the dryer sheets that are in here. I can't get them out right now because I only have one hand, but that's what these look like. And it says life hack number 53. You see those? Alright, so this is really cool. I'm about to take a little picture for Instagram because this is so cute. I love this. I just got a package the other day. I'm working with another company called Formulate, and so I got a package from them the other day. I'll show you guys that stuff. It's a personalized hair care brand. So I like sent them all the things about my hair, what scents I like, all the stuff, and they like formulated my own personalized conditioner and shampoo. The only thing is I wish I had my name on it because that's always fun. Oh, I didn't even realize I had Braille on the back. That's actually really cool. So yeah, I've been using that. I can't get this thing though to like pop up, so I've just been literally unscrewing it and using it in the shower, but I actually have been using this for the past week and I really like it. And I got like the ocean scent, so it smells like coconut. It smells so good. Love it. So yeah, got those. I've been trying those, loving them. So yeah, I've just been getting a lot of fun packages lately. I love trying out new products. I'm excited to try this out because it's something a little bit different, and I like smaller brands as well. Those are cool. I need to start getting ready because I'm going out with my friends tonight. There's like a lot of super cute pop-up Christmas bars right now in Kansas City. Ew, my hair looks gross. There's pop-up Christmas bars though, and so me and a couple of my friends are gonna go hit up some, excuse me, we're gonna go hit up some of them downtown. I'm super excited. Yeah. Okay, I was going to show you guys what I got from the store today. So, from Sephora, I'm just going to tell, okay, it's a PSA. Mom, if you're watching this right now, skip ahead like 5 minutes or something. I don't know. Okay, Mom? Better stop watching. Okay, but from Sephora, I got her a Summer Fridays jet lag mask because I really like mine. It's amazing, and so I want everyone to, you know, get on this trend. And then I got 2 of these Good Genes lactic acid thing from Sunday Riley. I'm gonna probably really like this and the wish I got more. I don't even know what lactic acid is, honestly, but I'm excited to try this. So I just got 2 of these. I'm gonna put one of them in her stocking, so I'm gonna put that back in there, and this is mine. And then from Anthropologie, I don't really want to take this out of here because they decorated it so cute. They even gave me this. It has like, I can't get it open. But basically, they're like little pom-poms with a gift thing, so I can attach that to this. I just think this is so freaking cute. So I got her a Capri Blue candle, and then I also got her this super cute mug. I will maybe like insert pictures of what the things look like so I don't have to take them out and unwrap them. I just kind of want to keep them like that. So we got that stuff. I got her some JoJo's because she loves JoJo's. So I'm probably going to wrap this and put it like next to her stocking. Also, this is like very heavy for some reason. I didn't think they were that heavy. I was so mad because I was trying to look for the candy cane ones and they don't have them that are gluten-free. So that's annoying. And then I got the 2 candles that I showed you. I'm going to keep Georgia Peach and then I'm going to give Winter to her. I think I'm going to put this in a little gift set because I also have this candle, or not this candle, this perfume that she wanted. So I'm going to put this over here for now, so I can remember to wrap that stuff. I'm gonna do like a little gift box moment for her. Then I went to Ulta and I got her this because we were looking at this mascara. I actually really want to try it. Look, he was gonna buy one for myself, but I didn't, so that's also going in her stocking. There's some other random stuff in there, and then this is the only thing I bought for myself. Actually surprised I didn't buy more for myself. I got this from Marshalls because it was on sale. It was only $15. This is normally, I'm pretty sure it's more expensive. This is $19, but it's like $25 or more at, what's that place? Urban Outfitters. So I got this. I'm so excited to read this, and I just thought it would go so cute. Like up here with these other books I have. I don't know. I just love like coffee table books like this. They had this super cute like greenery one that I really wanted to buy. It took literally everything in me not to buy it because I wanted it that bad. But I was like, that one was $20 and I was like, I don't really need that, but I want it, but I didn't buy it. So proud of myself. I don't know what to do with this candle. I think I'll put it over here. I really need to get a lighter because I don't have one at home. Oh my god, how cute is that? I'm probably not going to use that one. I'm going to wait till I get back to school. So the wicks are like for some reason super tiny on there. But yeah, that's what's happening. That's what I did. All right, I'm gonna go get ready. Also, I did this new little thing to my room. How do we feel about this? It's just like a little black and white greenery moment happening over here. Kind of like it. Also, I updated this. This wasn't above my bed before, but I got it a while ago and I needed somewhere to put it. So I traded this stuff out a little more mature. So yeah, that's it. That's all. Bye.
Yo, Santa Claus going to town, man.
Oh, that kid kind of hard though.
Yo.
Hey, he going down there, Timmy.
Santa Claus, you got any presents for me, man?
Yo, I need a hot chocolate.
Hey, come on. Here we go.
Hey, let's go.
Hey. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz